Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am back with another song and the title of my song is One Day. This is a motivational song and through this song I just want to encourage all of us to be strong and to hope for better days. And also see, when we look around the world today, we see a lot of bad things happening around the world, and also when we get to see our newspaper in the morning, we we see a lot of violence going on around the world. So I just want to sing this song and encourage all of us. So I hope you will like and enjoy this song, and yeah, let's get started.